PAF of the day. Hi guys. So basically, I just focus on the 1 hour. Not try to focus on the 50 minutes, but it would be nice to focus on it. The reason why I do this PA and just close out the trade because my over here is like 1:30 a.m. So I kind of gotta go work tomorrow. So I don't want to keep holding that tray that I did my mistake. So my for the day of the day is I want to say thank you for Lucas for the conference and posting the trade of today. So basically, when this work came, I read pretty well from here. So I try to look back from the data, what's going on in this area in 1 hour. So to me, Lucas was posting on the 15 minutes. I couldn't see it very clear, but I could see very clear that the buyer came very strong from this area, and then just waited for some sort of a seller to came down. So I took my trade from almost 11 a.m. Until it was Frankfurt was open. So it was came in like like kind of a little strong. So I took that trade for a bit. But then instead of that, let me extend this one. Instead of that, I was holding to all the way to 12 a.m. Until the London Open. So London Open very strong. So over here, that I took a 50% close. Um, the reason why I want to close this trade because I don't want to hold it no more until because I want to head back to sleep until like in the morning I could able to get back up and at least try to get a trade. But overall, I could able to read this um, in 1 hour that the sellers are weak, that the seller come to weak, and then try to read this on also in 15 minutes. This came down to this area. I think I was putting a little bit more of this area because I was waiting to come down for a better price, but then I took it from, let me see, yeah, I took it from Frankfurt, but once I hit that price, I would start monitoring this area to see the after 12 o'clock will go come back up. But instead I went to monitor, and then the next 15 minutes was the buyer reactivate from this area to come in and add a little bit of value. And then at 12 o'clock, and in 12 o'clock, I was making a area from here to take profit. You take 50% profits and see how it goes from there. And at that point, I can't wait. So it's getting late over here, and that's my PA. But if any feedback, my aim is over here. I want my aiming over here. But instead, I had to go sleep. I don't want anything to happen. And it's been like all the time, couple times. Even I was doing um um in stock and trading. My worst nightmare is just holding the stock and holding um just holding the trade without knowing. And that's my lesson from there. So my goal is just become a trader, not a holder. Um, but by my understanding, on 1 hour and 15 minutes, it's okay to trade. But I'm looking right now because I was learning from Mastery Technical, and I will try to go back to at least 1 hour and 1 hour and 4 hours, see how it goes from there. Yeah, and then that's my PA. I hope you give me a feedback. I do understand that this is the area of the buyer territory, and in this area it could be a trap, could be a trap, and it could be pretty strong from the seller, and I don't want to be in that zone and just keep waiting for that. But then it could, but then I just don't want to hold it. So this is my PA, and thank you. Let's go back. That's how I take my profit from there. And my goal was make at least uh, $15 a day, and have at least one or two trade, and from there. Thank you.